guys, Mira here, and today I'll be showing you what I did for my 12th grade capstone project. This is what my group mates and I would like to call an MRAC, or Multiface Recognition Attendance Checker. The system has actually been tested in a class of 29 students since it was implemented for their class attendance. And I'll be posting video tutorials on how to make it soon, so click the subscribe button below to be notified. Okay, to start, I'll be showing you the features of the MRAC and how it works. So this is the shortcut of the attendance checker, and this is the photo collector. The system is actually designed for teachers, so we separated the photo collector from the actual attendance checker to make it more user-friendly. And because this is a school project that we had to complete in a span of 3 to 4 months. Let's demonstrate. When we run the program, the command prompt pops up. I use it for debugging, and it can actually be hidden, which I will show in the succeeding tutorials. Once the system is completely loaded into memory, this is what our main screen should look like. It automatically opens the camera source. In my case, it's the Logitech C920E. This is actually the same camera I used during the testing and evaluation of the software. At the right side is a panel with 9 photo samples that are to be collected per student of a class. And below you can find the subject code, which you have to load into the system for collection of faces. A teacher can handle several subjects, meaning the teacher has existing class attendance records in Excel consisting of the class list of each. Now we will load a class list into the photo collector. By doing so, all we have to do is click on the load button, look for the Excel file of the class list, and open it. Once it has loaded, the list of the names of the students will appear on the panel directly underneath the photo samples. In this class list, there are 29 students, and this is what it looks like. To see the photo samples of the students, you first click on the student name and press select. Here are some examples of the students involved in my project. Once the students have their 9 sample photos, click the Train Face Recognizer button to train the face recognizer. This uses openCV for Python to accomplish the training. Now we will proceed with the attendance checker. When we run the program, a command prompt will also pop up. This is what the attendance checker will look like. Below, you can see a subject code just like in the photo collector. The teacher will also have to load the Excel file of the attendance record of the respective class before checking. For checking the attendance, the teacher can make use of either a previously recorded video or the camera source. This can be changed by clicking the source button below. We will click the source button and select the video. Right now, our source will be a video taken from the testing during our project. Once it has been loaded, all we have to do is click the Check Attendance button. The attendance checker will then proceed to detect and recognize the face of the student in the source. Once it's done, the list of absentees pops up. This way, the teacher can verify who the absent students are. This time, let's use my photos for the sample. We will go back to the photo collector. And once again, load the class list into the program and choose a student. Okay, so let's say I am Eloisa. We will select the name, and although there are already photo samples under that name, we can just replace it by clicking the capture buttons depending on which photo we want to replace. When taking the photo samples, it's preferable to have the area well lit and have the captured faces be clear. As much as possible, be consistent on how you would look every day. We will then once again press the Train Face Recognizer button. After training, we will return to the attendance checker to test it out. We will then load the class list, and instead of using a video source, we'll be using the camera. That means there is no need for us to press the source button, and we'll instead proceed with the check attendance button. As you can see, it now recognizes me to be Eloisa. When using a video source, the attendance checker automatically stops checking once the video has ended. In the camera source, on the other hand, you will have to press the stop checking attendance button. The list of absentees will then pop up. We will now check the Excel file of the attendance to see what it looks like now that we had the attendance checked. My computer date is actually set to September 15, 2019, and the program records the attendance of the students based on the current date. The worksheets are labeled after the months of the school year, and the days can be found in the 12th row of each worksheet. Here in the worksheet, we can see that Eloisa has a P on her row, September 15. The system marks the present students with a P for present, while leaving the absentees blank. So that's it for now. Once again, I'll be posting video tutorials soon. I'll be going more in depth with the different libraries, frameworks, and tools that were used in the making of the system. I'll be talking about Anaconda, tkinter, openCV, NSIS, and more. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive updates on my next videos. And if you found this video very much helpful, leave a comment and a like. Till next time!